Okay, YouTubers, so what I've ran into was the hood latch, which, by the way, is the dumbest design in the grill, by Ford. When it goes out, there is no easy way to get the grill out. As you can see, there's multiple fastening points for the plastic grill that goes over the composite grill over the radiator brace. This is the hood latch assembly that connects to the underside of the hood. The bolts are 8mm, and you have to literally remove the whole grill. Then you have to reach underneath the hood through this section here to get to the bolts here. It is a little time consuming. It's not exactly easy, but as you can see, a regular wrench, nothing fancy, a 99-cent special, will remove these two bolts to get the hood open. Once it's open, as you can see, mine is still screwed up. The key does nothing, doesn't release any of the latch assembly. So I'm going to have to cut the latch off to get the hood to where I can at least close it again. Recommendation on this one: any type of Jeep hood strap can be attached here up to the hood on both sides. This took about 2 hours after figuring out these little plastic keepers are what goes on the back of the grill. As you can see, these goofy little standoffs here are what go through the grill and hold it in place. So yeah, any other video talking about how to remove the lock assembly, there is nothing you can do from underneath, because the underneath looks just about like this all the way up. And as you can see, the back of the lock is shrouded by the radiator. So pull out the grill, go between the hood and this valance panel, two 8mm bolts, one here, take them out, hood opens, you're done. Thanks for watching.